Morning, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are staying safe and being good. Today I'm really excited because I want to show you guys how I clean my brushes. And I just got back from the job, and usually I love to clean my brushes immediately after. So this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my brushes using just two things you can find in your home, in your kitchen. To be precise, very easy. I've been using this for a very long time now, and it's very effective. Saves you money from buying high-end brush cleaners and all, and it dries really fast. So yes, I'm using the olive oil and the Money Fresh dishwasher, and I'm going to mix them into a container, and I'm going to use it to clean my brush using my wipes and a very clean towel. Guys, I'm so excited because it's something that is very easy, and the most exciting part of it is that you can actually use your brush immediately after cleaning. So all you just have to do is take a right amount of oil and also the right amount of your dishwasher liquid, and mix them together, and just try and make sure that your oil is not too much. And that's where you can really have issues where you get your brushes gets oily and all of that. But if you can just measure them up rightly and mix it together properly, then you have no issues. So yeah, I am mixing in these two together, and guys, it's so easy, so easy, very affordable. These two, you can get them in the market. It's still very affordable, and I'm going to mix them right now, as you can see, and shake them properly together. Shake the mixture very well. Like, guys, I'm shaking the mixture properly so that everything can actually mix well. The oil have to mix well with the dishwasher, and I'm going in with a little more oil because I noticed it wasn't consistent. I need it to be really consistent. I need the oil to really be consistent with the liquid wash, and I'm shaking it properly. Guys, I'm doing this for like several minutes. So yeah, I'm going to pick up my dirty brush, one of my dirty brush. I like to start with a very small brush. Now I'm going to fold my wipes together in like 4 places, and then apply the mixture on the wipes, and then, as you can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to take my dirty brush and I'm going to start cleaning on it. Like, you don't really need to start pouring water over your brushes and then dry your brushes in the sun or wait for your brush to dry. This method is very easy, effective, and affordable, and it's instant cleaning, guys. Very instant. The oil with in the soap will actually help the dirt come out really fast, and the soap has ingredients that can help to clean up your brush and make them, look very clean, and then they smell really nice too. Now this brush, as you can see, is clean, and I can use it almost immediately after cleaning because it's not oily at all, and it dries really fast. I don't know, guys, I just noticed that these two this method of cleaning brushes really works. It dries really fast. So I'm going to go over to clean another brush. This is my concealer brush, and I'm going to actually clean it. If you notice, I am not adding the mixture again. I'm still using the one I actually added on that wipes, and I'm still using it. I can actually use this for like 4 small brushes, and it will still be very effective because it's actually actually goes a long way. And note, guys, use a clean towel because you don't want to transfer dirt from a dirty towel down to your brush that you've already cleaned. So I'm using the clean towel. My towel is actually very clean, and that's what I use, as you can see. So I'm adding more, and I'm going in with my concealer brush. You can see the green color, and then it's cleaning out really like, it's just instant instant cleaning. Immediately you get your result. Very, very interesting, right? So guys, I hope you guys are learning. This is my big brushes, so I'm done with the small brushes. I started with the big brushes. My powder brush, I already started cleaning it, and yeah, you can see I am going to rub it in properly, rub the wipes together properly, and you can see the dirt coming off. Like immediately you use it, you can see the dirt coming off immediately. Like, this is amazing. I know a lot of you need to really go try this. Instead of pouring water or washing your brushes down with lots of water and waiting for it to dry, you can actually just have this mixture in a bottle, put it in your bag wherever you go, clean your brushes, because it's of necessity that you have a clean brush so you don't transfer dirt to your skin, and that can really affect your skin badly, as you can see. And this brush, like I said earlier on, I can use it almost immediately after cleaning it. It's amazing. So I need you guys to go try this out. And have you noticed, wow, my brush is really clean. And I'm also going to show you how to use this mixture for your beauty blenders. It works like magic on beauty blenders. It brings out all the dirt immediately. I literally used to usually soak a beauty blender in water with this overnight, or if I want to use my beauty blender almost immediately after working on a client and I want to work on another client, I can just simply put this mixture on my beauty blender and then wash and use. Very, very simple. As you can see, my brush is super clean, and I'm done cleaning all my brushes. Oh my god, they are as good as new. You can see, and it has an amazing smell because of the dish and liquid wash. Very, very nice smell. So you can see my brush cleaner. You can also use it to clean your brush bag, eyeshadow palettes that are dirty, the sides that get stained by the eyeshadow. You can also use it to put it in your wipes and clean around your eyeshadow palette, powder palette, and also your beauty blender. As you can see, it brings off dirty almost immediately, and it's so consistent that you don't have to squeeze too much. As you can see, the dirt coming off. It's an amazing discovery, guys. So I hope you guys go try it out, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also make a comment down below if you go try it out. Let me know how it turned out to be, the outcome. If you liked it, if it was good, let me know. Yes, so my beauty blender is as good as new. As you can see, the dirt are off like almost immediately, and I'm going to use a very clean towel, by the way, and to squeeze out the excess water. Yay! I hope a whole number of you are excited watching this video the way I'm excited making this video for you. It's very easy, guys. These two ingredients are superb. They are the bomb. You can see my brush are all clean, as good as new, and they dry up. Like, I can literally just use my brush right now, and yeah, they dry up really, really fast immediately after use. They are nice. Yes. So guys, thank you for staying tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. See you guys in my next video.